What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to download, install, and set up VS Code on your computer properly. First, go to a browser and search VS Code download. Click the first link. Download the system installer, as this will install VS Code across the computer and not for only one user. The download has started. Wait for the download to complete. The download is completed. Open the download folder and find the exe file. Then right-click on the program and click Run as administrator. Accept the license. You can read it if you want. Click Next. Again, click Next. Select all of these here because these will make your workflow much better. Click Next. Now, wait for the program to install fully. Click Finish. VS Code is now installed. Please like and subscribe or comment down below if you face any issues.